YouTube, just shooting a quick video. Had dented my oil pan because the floor jack slipped. Long story short, so I wanted to make sure and get a new oil pan. This one is aftermarket. Hopefully it'll do the job. I think it was $50 on Amazon. Spectre brand or something, I don't remember. But had to undo the motor mounts. There's one there and one on the other side. That's the pickup tube if you ever want to know what it looks like. And then you gotta jack up the transmission to get it to go up a little bit. I'm just showing you a quick thing how to do it. I did take the oil filter off to give more clearance to slide it out. So hopefully it'll go back in. Wish me luck. And make sure you remove your dipstick tube out of the thing before you drop the pan. You'll have to wedge in there with a pry bar and get it out. This is a stock pickup tube. It's alright, so pan is basically in. One thing I want to tell you, when you put the bolts back in, make sure you peel off the old gasket on it. It makes it hard to get in if you're struggling. There might be gasket on your bolts. That rubber makes it hard to go in. Got one bolt left. The ones in the back are the hardest, of course. But yes sir. Double check those are tight and be on my way. You gotta make sure you put the dipstick tube back in. Left mine dangling right here. You have to lower the engine back down. Hopefully let's go back in. So I had to stick a pry bar in here because I couldn't get my motor mounts to line back up. It was hitting on the lip right inside, and I had to, that one was good. So I had to let it rest, and then I punched it with the thing and it slid right into place. I pushed it from the side, the stud, and it fell through. The engine dropped. Put this all day. .14 millimeter.